The Boston Celtics' 2025 playoff run ended in disappointment, falling to the New York Knicks in the second round. The loss was compounded by a devastating Achilles injury to star forward Jayson Tatum, casting doubt on the team's 2025-26 season. With Tatum sidelined and roster moves suggesting a soft reset, Boston's future hinges on his return, though his top 10 status ensures the team will contend again. In the meantime, the Jordan Tatum 4's debut is delayed without Tatum on court, pushing its expected release to late 2025. Filling the gap this summer is the Jordan Tatum 3 white and black, a clean and minimalistic design that goes beyond the previous tunnel walk release. With a crisp white aesthetic and a unique trio of stars on the heel tab, it may hint at a new Team Bank series or a mainline update. The Jordan Tatum 3 black and white will release soon for $130.